So today we will start from the enterprise structure, correct? So enterprise structure में the first thing is company code. Company. What is company? So if we can say company is not mandatory for the all cases, all scenario. Company is for grouping the company code. Correct. Company we will use only for to group the company code. That's it. And what is company code? Had you gone through what is company code?
No, sir. Actually, I don't have an idea.
No, I had told you the last time. No. So company code is actually highest organization in F4 FI module. For finance, it is highest organization and it is responsible for all financial transaction which happen in the company.
Oh,
Okay.
company.
Yeah. So it is responsible for all financial transaction. Whatever it will be happen in the company, it will be happen in the company code. Whatever financial transaction. So
Oh,
the example of company code is balance sheet. If you will refer the balance sheet of any company, so it will be the all transaction, whatever they have spent, whatever they have bought, whatever they have sold. So these all transactions where we can kept into the company code. Okay, and this is not optional. This is the mandatory. Like company, I told you.
right.
Yeah, company is the optional. Someone may have the company and someone may not have the company. But company code is mandatory for the all organization. Mandatorily we will create a company code. And what is company code? Company code is a physical entity. It is highest organizational unit for the FI module and it is responsible for all financial transaction which is happen into the company. Correct now? Any doubt?
No, sir.
Good.
Go ahead, go ahead.
What is sales organization? What is sales organization? Any idea? We had gone through these also. Little bit I think I'm expecting from you to speak. What is sales organization?
Okay. All sales and service, it should be happen from the organization.
Yeah, it should happen. Whatever we will do sales and services or whatever we will do the how our products will be distributed. These all are sales organization or is responsible for these all.
Okay.
Correct na? So again the company code and sales organization both will have 4-digit code. Like you can see Z444 or anything. So it is a combination of numeric and alphabet. Got it?
Numeric and alphabet, right?
Yeah. We can
Numeric, I can understand, but how can describe through alphabet?
we are not describing alphabet. What we are this 4-digit have the code. I'm talking the code. So let us see the screen. I can share you the screen. So I was talking like so this is implementation guideline screen. So I have to explain. Whenever we will log into SAP, we will land into this page. This page is called Easy Screen. Easy Screen access. Who will use? Only end user will use this Easy Access screen. For consultant, we will use IMG screen. To go to the IMG screen, T code is SPRO. Then we will click onto the reference IMG. So this screen, a consultant will use this screen only. This screen is called IMG screen. implementation guideline screen. Then so we were talking about the enterprise structure.
We can use only 4 digit of company code, right?
Yeah, so I am coming on that point. First I am telling what is IMG screen and those all. Correct. So we were talking about our chapter name is enterprise structure. So we can see the enterprise structure in this heading itself. We will click here. Then we will go to the definition and company code. If we are talking about the company code, what is company code? It is a highest organizational unit of FI module. So we can see company code into the financial accounting. So we can expand here, we can come here, company code, and we can see here this. I was talking about this 4 digit company code, and then the description. So this may have alphanumeric. Only numeric also we can keep, and alphanumeric also we can keep. That I was talking. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Good, good. So and what is the sales organization? Sales organization, again we can, where we can see the sales organization. Sales organization we can see not into the FI module. So sales organization is highest organizational unit of SD. For sales and distribution it is a highest. So we can see SD, sales and distribution. We can see here, copy, delete, check the sales organization. Again it is a 4-digit company code and description. 4-digit sales organization code and the description. So if we want to create, how we will create? I think we have told you, any organizational unit, if these all are also called organizational unit.
Right.
So these organizational unit, we have two type of organizational unit, physical and imaginary. You remember that one?
Sir.
What is physical?
I remember.
What is physical entity? What is physical and what is imaginary?
Physical, you can say, we can enter, this is common with our organization.
No. Physical is like if any organizational unit has some address, details. Okay. So if any organizational unit have address, that will be called as a physical entity. And if there is no any address for any organizational unit or any location for organizational unit, that we will call the imaginary. That's it. Physical means have address. We also say na physical, we will go for the physical verification. If someone is coming for the address verification, they will say we are going for the physical verification. So that concept comes here. So company code, sales organization, these two are physical. But if we are coming to the distribution channel and division, they are imaginary. Correct? So whatever physical entity we will create, we will not create. So if we are going to the company, no, this is company. We are not talking about company. We are talking about the company code. Na? Yeah, this one. So if I want to create a company code, okay, so we cannot directly go and create a new entry and then we will give something like G445000. We can do like this, correct? But as per SAP standard, we will not create in this way. for all physical entity, what we will do, we will copy the existing one. How we will do? We will copy the existing one and then we will create. I am just creating that one. 0001. So we will go copy, delete, check. Copy of org object. You can see here copy org object, and we have seen 0001. 0001 is the existing one. Okay, and we want to create G555. We are trying to copy from 0001 and our new will be the G0005. So we will click OK. It will ask many time of yes. So why we are doing that? For all physical entity, there are many linkage. You can see these are all linkage. Some currency,
Right.
background settings you can see. So if we will create with the new like if new entry, then what will happen? Many settings you will lose or you have to do manually, which is not possible for any consultant. Okay, that's why for all physical entity, how we do, we copy from the existing one and then we can proceed. Got it? So the see, this is the ready. Now we can save it. This what this window is called? What is this window called? Here it is a transportation request number, customizing request. Correct? We have gone through it. It will ask many times yes. So you can see I have copied only company code, but it is asking so many times, so many yes no. Press only enter. So in this way you can create your own company code. You have login ID and password. Pawan,
Yes, sir.
do you have login ID and password?
No, sir, I don't have.
Okay, I will share you today and you can just practice in copying these all things.
Okay, sir.
It will take time actually. So company code and sales organization, these two unit only take time to copy also. We are just copying from the existing one to new one. Still it is taking time. Yeah, this is done. So you can see here company code this,
Company
copy
code.
this. Correct? So our company code is ready. Now we will go and see our company code. Go into the edit mode. What was our, so there are many entries, correct? How you can found your entry? We can found with the position Z555. This was our entry, correct? So this is, see, I had given only code. These all things we have not given. Correct na? Only currency,
Correct, sir.
currently it has asked, but these all things we have not given. How these all are appearing? These all are appearing because of I had copied from the existing one. Correct? So if that was the name of SAP India, it is saying the SAP India. Now we can change like and how we can say whether it is physical entity or imaginary. What is the sign, or how we can identify it? We can identify with this address tab. You can see their address. For all physical will have this address. If it is imaginary, this will be not, physical address will be not appear. So there we can change this Jago Enterprise and these all, how we are it is coming. It is coming because we had copied. We will change these all detail, or all whatever is required to change, we will change it, and then we can save it. Similarly, you can create sales organization. Data is saved. So sales organization, you can do the same way. You can copy this sales organization. This I am not going to copy. This is task for you. Now our next enterprise structure is distribution channel. So distribution channel, what is distribution channel first? Hello. Good morning जी. हाँ जी. एक मिनट मैं जरा रिकॉर्ड स्टॉप करता हूँ. Yes. So what I was talking, yeah. What is distribution channel? Pawan? Distribution channel is the medium through which our product, we can distribute our product to the end customer. Am I audible?
Right. Yes, sir.
Okay. So distribution channel is a medium through which our product will be distributed to the end customer. So and
End customer in the sense retailer, yeah, wholesaler.
Retailer, yeah. SAP normally works for B2B. What is B2B? Business to business.
Business to business, right?
It's not for the end customer, like end user. So our end customer will be not a real end user customer. It will be the wholesaler, retailer, or something like that. B2C and B2B. Business to customer or business to business. So normally SAP will work at the B2B, business to business. So suppose Britannia, if Britannia is going to implement SAP, Britannia company who is manufacturing, Britannia will not sell to the directly to us, correct? They will sell to the wholesaler, retailer, or anyone. So there is also business, that is called B2B. So if we are talking about the distribution channel, it is imaginary. Distribution channel is imaginary. It will not have the address tab. So how we can do this distribution channel? We can create directly with the new entry. We can give any name, any description, and that's it. And that's it. This is called distribution channel. How this way we can create all imaginary organizational unit. So if we similarly, if we want to create division is what is division? This, what is division?
Division is the range of product line.
Range of product group. So there we can group our product in division. But you can see division is also not a part of distribution channel SD. So where we can find out the distribution channel? Distribution channel we can find out under logistic general. So these all things you have to little bit remember. So where I can find the company code, where I can find sales organization, division. So we do not have much organizational unit, correct? We have only this much. So company code, company code, sales concern, distribution channel, division, sales office, sales group, and plant. Mostly these all things only I need to remember where I can find this organizational unit. So where I can find out this organizational unit, division one we can find out under logistic general. There again we can go and we can directly we can define with the new entry. Why? Because this is also a imaginary organizational unit. Am I correct?
Sir.
Okay. So we have done this. Now sales office and sales group. So sales office and sales group we can see into the SD mode. SD. So close this logistic general, go to the sales and distribution. Here we can see the sales office and sales group. Again, sales office and sales group is not a mandatory. Every company may not have sales office and sales group. Okay, but sales office is again physical entity. So if anything is physical entity, we will do the copy and then we will create. But sales group is imaginary. These all things you can see in our note. Okay. The next, what is the sales group? Sales office. Sales office is the place where a group of people will sit for the common purposes. Like in a bank, group of people will sit. One group will be for the credit card. They are responsible to sell the credit card. Some group of people is for creators opening the saving account. Someone for the loan. So this is called sales office, where group of people will sit for the common purposes. And what is sales group? That group of people is called sales group. Then next we have enterprise organizational unit, that is plant. This is also useful, but till the time only SD consultant is responsible, but to create a plant SD is not responsible. Who will create plant? MM guy will create. MM is material management guy, another module. They will create plant. Clear? But for plant is too much useful by SD also, so we should know how to, means we will use that plant also. You can see here, these all are majorly used by the SD, but these all are also responsible for SD. Hope it is okay. Okay na? Okay. Now coming to sales area. So these all things, see, we have created one company, we have created one company code, we have created sales organization separately. But how I can define, how system will understand? For I have created sales organization G555 and GZ we have created a distribution channel. So how system will know ki for this organization this is what we have created, this is. So we have to create one relationship. That's then only system will understand. So this is the company code and this is the sales organization. This is all way correct. So that we can do not under define, that we can do under assignment. So under assignment, what we will do? First, if we have a company, then we will assign company to company, this part. Then what we will do? Then FI is done. Come to the sales and distribution. So we have created only company code, correct? We have not created a sales organization. Okay, but I will show you. So what second step, what we will do? Assign sales organization to company code. We will click here. We will. So, but we had copied through. We had created company code using copy, creating a reference. So we can see here Z555. See, this is already assigned with this company code. No, this is not ours. Sorry. Sales, okay. Sales organization, nah. So we have not created sales organization. That's why it is not taking. Otherwise, if we have created any sales organization, by default it will be show some company code. But then what we will do? We will delete this existing one and we will create our own. Got it? Why it will show? Because we have copied through. We have copied something. We have taken some reference and then we have copied. That's why. Okay. Then so what? This is the first what we have done. Sales organization to company code. Then here we will do distribution channel to sales organization. Then only understand whatever distribution channel we have created, we will assign to the our sales organization. Then division to sales organization. Got it? Okay. Let's actually why we are talking. Let's create company code. Already we have done. Now only need to do this sales organization now. Let's do it. Again there is a 0001. Copy 0001. Keep the same name. Done. So we have copied from the 0001 and this one is ours. Now go to the assignment. Oh, wait. We will create all. Then we have distribution channel we have created, correct? Distribution channel we have created now. G5 I think so.
Yes, sir.
G5. Yeah, G. Okay. Then we will create distribution channel. Then we will create a division. Where is division? So see, mostly whatever SD consultant is responsible, all are here under SD mode, SD headings. But division is not under is not under SD. Still, SD consultant is responsible for division, creation of division. This may ask, as division is not under SD, still we are creating. Why? Yes, we are creating because SAP has recommended that. That's it. Division directly we can create because it's imaginary. Easy, na? Oh, already exists. Division we have created. Plant we will see later. Now, so our organizational unit is completed. Sales office and sales group. That we can do anything. Okay, we will go to the assignment. SD sales organization to company code. You will see the position. Earlier it was not coming because we have not created this. Okay, we have not renamed, na? We have to do that. After creation of sales organization, we have not renamed. Keep it as it is. Go to the address tab. Country. Okay, fine. Now come to the assignment. Assignment, sales organization to company code. See, already we have created this company code. This is assigned to this company code, but we have not assigned it. Correct? This is this.
Right.
For this only we do not create with the new entry. We do the copy and then we can create. So our one is G555. That's it. So what we have done? We have done assign the company code, assign the sales organization to company code. Then we will assign distribution channel to sales organization. New entry. What is our sales organization? G555. What is our distribution channel? I think ZZ. Yes. That's it. So currently we have only one distribution channel. If we have 3 or 4 distribution channel, we will assign one by one. Got it? Then we will come to the next division. Assign division to sales organization. New entry. Sales organization is again G555. I think G5. Yes. So this one we have assigned. The next one is set up sales area. See here. Here we are not doing any assignment. What we are doing? We are going to do setup of the sales area. Just go there. What we will do? We will give a combination of sales organization, distribution channel and division, so that we can say system if we are going to sell any product for any sales organization. We may have a different distribution channel. We have different type of product, so we have different type of division. Each combination, if we have this sales area set up, then only we can sell the product. Otherwise, system will not allow to sell the product. Got it? So suppose if we have one sales organization, 2 distribution channel and 2 division. So how many sales area will be there? 4 it will be there. The formula is sales organization into distribution channel into division. Hello? Are you there, Pawan?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. So for what is the formula? Sales organization, suppose we have 2 sales organization, then 2 and 3 distribution channel, 3 division. So 2 into 3 into 3, 3 3 9, 9 into 2 yani 18. 18 entry will, 18 sales area will be there. But for us we have created only 111, so we can go new entry. Sales organization is distribution channel and division. So we have created a sales, we have done the setup of sales area. We do not assign the sales area. What we do, we set up the sales area. Then similarly we will assign sales office to sales area, and those also same way. If we have sales office, this till here it is called sales area, correct? Sales organization, distribution channel and division, this is called sales area, and under this sales area we will assign the sales office, whatever sales office is there. But we do not have this sales office is not mandatory one, that's why we are not doing for the practice purposes. Okay, for any guy, any consultant who have 3 4 5 year of experience, they will not allowed to do these all activity. These all activity who will do? A much senior guy, much like if someone is the leading the team, they will do these all setups. A new consultant,
if I have 3 to 4 year experience, so how can I am not allowed?
Yeah, you are not allowed. You are not allowed to do all things. But you should know the concept. You should know these all how we do and those all. For cracking the interview, you have to tell the answers. But in real scenario, you will not allowed to do these all works. Got it? Okay, so we can see here. If we are talking about the here itself, you can see this company code 00001. Can you see here? Many sales organization is assigned to this company code. You can see there, correct? This is called relationship. What this is called? This is called relationship. So n number, many sales organization can be assigned to a company code. Means a company code have n number of sales organization. You can see this picture. This company code have 3 sales organization, correct? But one sales organization cannot assign to the multi company code. This one is assigned to this company code, but we cannot assign this sales organization to this company code also. So this relation is called one to one or one to many or many to many. So here what is there? So if here someone is talking company code to sales organization, so one to many. One to many means one company code can have many sales organization. If we are talking about the relation between sales organization and company code, then 1 to 1. One sales organization can have only one company code. I think it is okay for you. Got it? Getting the point?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Similarly, what is the relation between this distribution channel and sales organization? 1 to many. 1 to many. But if we are talking this way, then it will be the 1 to 1. Got the point? I will below. I think it will be there the relation.
Yeah, right, sir. Right, sir.
Okay, so I think these all are okay. We know the sales office, sales line is not so much important. Similarly to sales area, sales line is also combination of sales organization and distribution channel. If we have not combined the division, we will call it as a sales line. That's it. The definition one only. plant. What is plant? Plant is a vast area. Okay, so many activity we can do into the plant. Every module have a different definition. If it is a production guys, they will say plant is the place where we manufacture. But if it is a guy, they will say plant is the place where we store the goods. And SD guy will say plant is the place from where we distribute our product. Get the point? Okay. So you can see the plant, one plant, some truck is coming, something happening, productioning, then says we are creating sales order and those all, and truck is going out. So these all activity we can do under one plant. Shipping point, under the plant we can have a shipping point. See here, shipping point. Shipping point is the place from where we will ship the product. So this is the plant. Okay, big, very huge plant. We are doing some manufacturing. We are keeping some store. The whatever the product is getting manufactured, we are keeping somewhere. Somewhere we are keeping raw material. Somewhere we are keeping finished material and those all. And if we want to sell, some truck will come, either truck, either train. You can see that if it is a cement company, of course truck is not sufficient. Some train will also come inside the company and we will load into the train. Someone will have like a truck or anything. So from where we will load our product to any vehicle, that is called shipping point. Means from where we are shipping the goods, that is called shipping point. Clear? Storage location, where we will store the product, that's it. These all are just go through the definition, that is not much.
Okay.
So we have seen what you need to do. You need to define these all things. Company code, sales organization, calendar. Calendar you can leave it. Calendar you should not do that. But you can check that one, not an issue. Distribution channel, sales office. These all things you have to define. And then you have to do assignment. Company to company code, sales organization, distribution. These all you have to do the assignments. So this is your task for the today.
Okay.
See, for remembering, I told you now, they will also ask what is the path. So company code and controlling area will be under financial accounting. These all things we can see under SD. Plant we can see under plant and division under logistic general. You can correlate now. So I am talking about these all areas. I am talking about enterprise structure definition. So this financial accounting, logistic general, sales and distribution. These things I am talking. So you can see the path. Sometimes, so for the new guy actually they will ask the path. If you have 3 to 4 years, they will ask the path where we can define the sales group, where we can define company code. But if you have 10 to 12 years, they will not ask these all questions. Leave it, these all basic function and those all. These all are one of chapter. So once we will go through, then we can do that. So your task will be these all definition except calendar and these all assignment. This much you can do today. Okay, path you can remember till here. Till here you can remember the path. below you can leave it for now. Once we will go chapter by chapter, then we can see that. What is company controlling area? These all are definitions. So you have to go through the definitions as well. That's it. So till enterprise structure, it is done. Okay, Pawan? So,
Okay.
any doubt? Any
We
doubt?
will, I have doubt. We will see you tomorrow.
Sure.
I will ask you tomorrow.
Sure.